Hello everyone! Apologies for not posting for a while. I've been really busy with things Ireland lately, but now I'm back. Anyways, about this video, this is a Pride Month video, but it is still a stomach growl video too. Also, if any of you watching this are against the LGBTQ+ community, then get off my channel. I am transgender in real life and I won't tolerate any homophobes on me page. Now that all of that's out of the way, enjoy the video.
Close your eyes, you'll be here soon. 1、2、3、4、5分時々本当に寝たいでもこのワードできないおやすみ、おやすみ I know that it's hard to do. Let's go, party, しょうがないOf time will ring my neck. Every little moment spells regret. But I don't have to feel this way. As a voice inside my head Oh yes.